In this video, I'm continuing my solo adventure visiting my friends and family in the Palm Beaches. Hey everybody, Andrea here, and this is part 2 of my solo adventures to the Palm Beaches. If you missed the last one, go back and check it out. I started out in Milton, stayed the night in Alachua in an historic home, passed through DeLand, and then headed to downtown West Palm Beach to meet up with another friend. This video, I am staying on the island of Palm Beach in the historic Palm Beach Hotel. I have family coming in from out of town. We got a lot of great stuff planned, so come along and join us. Let me tell you about my amazing room at the historic Palm Beach Hotel condominium. It was beautiful. I loved the coastal decor throughout the entire room, and those colors, they were so peaceful and tranquil. And my view was amazing. The hotel is located on Sunrise Avenue, just 2 blocks east of the beautiful shores of the Atlantic Ocean. My view to the right, I could see the sunrise, and when I looked to the left, I was overlooking the pool. That pool is so beautiful and is set in a lush tropical garden. Located both inside and out, there are many beautiful public spaces for relaxing or for gathering. The Palm Beach Hotel was built in 1925 and operated for many years as a hotel. In the 1980s, it was converted to a hotel condominium, and in 2010, it was listed on the National Register of Historic Places. Today, many of the rooms are available on Airbnb. Alright, now I'm over on Singer Island. It's one of the barrier islands off of the Palm Beaches. That's where my family is staying. They just got into town. I'm over here at what used to be known as the Ocean Mall. I'm not sure what it's called now, but this is my old stomping grounds. Growing up in the Palm Beaches, I was either in the water, on the water, next to the water, always something to do with the water. The beach is right on the other side of this. I spent probably years of my life right here in this area. This is a new restaurant that's down here. I've never tried it before. My family's already here. They're waiting on me, so I'm really excited to see them. Here's my family. Hi. Hello, hello, hello. Say hello. They just got in. They were on an early morning flight from Asheville. So time to give hugs. Very early. Alright, we're on our way to go see Mom now, so really excited about that. I haven't seen her in a year. Most of them haven't seen her, I think, in 3 years. Not since COVID, so it's been a while. Here we go. We had a great visit with Mom. We had so much fun. You know, I haven't seen her in a year. Did you guys? It's been a few years.
Several years.
Several years. Yeah.
3 years.
So it's we had a good visit, and we're gonna see her some more during the week. But she's 92. She's looking good. She thinks she doesn't have much energy, but we still think she has a lot of energy for being 92. But now we are doing one of the things I've been looking forward to the most. We're at the Sailfish Marina. We're right on the Intercoastal Waterway, and it's called Sunset Celebration. It's Thursday nights from 6 to 9 p.m. They have live music, grouper dogs, and all kinds of vendors and arts and crafts out there. Everything has to be handmade. And then they have an awesome ship store. And what's really special about the Sailfish Marina for me is that right after high school, I worked here for a couple of years. First, I started out on the dock. I was just a dock hand and helping the fishing boats when they came in, which was super cool. I loved that job. Didn't pay much, so I didn't continue it as my career. And then I did get moved up, and I worked in the ship store, and I used to buy all the inventory for inside, and that was a lot of fun too. So anyway, I'm really excited to be here. It's a beautiful night. We got a good breeze. We're right on the water. It's going to be a lot of fun. Come along. Alright, so here I am, got my grouper dog. I'm very excited. Of course, I can't eat any with the sauces and all that on it, which I guess is part of the pleasure for most people, but I just really want to taste the fish, so let's try it out. Oh yeah, that's delicious. It's grouper, which is not a super fishy fish, so a lot of people like grouper, and it has a nice beer batter on it. It's super crunchy. I'll be getting 2 of these tonight. All right, well, I'm down here at the Sailfish Marina with my family, and we got a big group of us here. Now, I am not the only YouTuber in the family. My niece has a channel also. It's Nick's Picks. Nicole, tell us about your channel.
Well, actually, we're calling it Nick's Picks Goes Local, and I'm trying to promote everything that has to do local, whether it's local farmer markets, local art festivals, local conventions, anything to cover the people and the places here in Palm Beach County, going all the way up to the Jupiter area. I just put out a video for the 2023 festival date, so if you're coming down in this area, make sure to check it out.
Yeah, it's a lot of fun, all those events. Sometimes it's a weekly event, sometimes monthly, but I really like knowing the annual events coming up. You can mark your calendar if you miss it when she posts it. Just mark it for next year, because there's some really great art events in this area. So check that out, give it a like and a subscribe. All right, good morning. We're over here on Singer Island back at the beach. We're gonna check it out. We got some bad weather rolling in, so we don't know how long we're gonna stay, but we're gonna stay as long as we can. Looking forward to hitting the beach. at the beach. There's a rip current though, so we're really only going this far. You can really feel it pulling at your feet and your ankles just going this far when the waves are crashing. But it's beautiful, it's refreshing, having a lot of fun. We're looking forward to having a family birthday celebration. My nephew Damon is turning 50 today, and we got some barbecue planned for tonight, so excited about that. Love the beach. I love where I'm from, love where I live, and I love where I'm from. I love coming back here to visit, so I'm in my happy place right now. Hey everybody, we're off on another adventure today in the Palm Beaches. We are at the Riviera Beach Marina. We are at Rafiki Tiki, and I was so surprised yesterday. I got a message from my niece and nephew. They came down from Orlando to come hang for a few days, for the day, not a few days. So we're hitting this restaurant, and then we plan to take the water taxi over to Peanut Island and hang out for the day. Can't wait, looking forward to it. Down here now on the dock at the Riviera Beach Marina. Just finished eating at the Rafiki Tiki. Had a good time visiting with family there, and now we're gonna go catch the water taxi, go over to Peanut Island. Right behind the camera here is where the rec hall used to stand, where Troy and I had our wedding reception when we were married, and we left by boat. That was the reason we came here. Our number one goal leaving our wedding was we wanted to leave by boat, and that's what we did. It was right around in here, one of these slips, and some good memories there. Hopefully I can find some pictures to drop in. One of my favorite pictures of our wedding is waving everyone goodbye. Not today. Well, that was so much fun. I love the beach. I love my family. I've had a great time here, but it's time for me to go. Join me in my next video as I hang out in downtown historic St. Augustine, and from there I plan to drive back to Milton, not using the interstate. It's gonna take a little longer, but I think it's gonna be really fun. Thanks for joining me on my little solo adventure. See you in the next video.